This video is about eye exercises. The exercises I'm going to show you, they will help to tone your muscles, and they will also be a great prevention for eye wrinkles. You may perform these exercises in the morning, honestly while you're still in bed, or you could do this at bedtime. I would also say it's good anytime because the exercises will be great for improving digital eye strain syndrome. The first exercise, you need to close your eyes. But you don't just close your eyes, you need to close them tightly. You need to feel the muscle. You don't hold this position. So you close it tightly, then open real fast and look up. Let's repeat. Close tightly, open, look up. Close tightly, open, look up. Close tightly, open, look up. It's important here to close tightly. You do not hold this position. You just close, open fast, look up. That's the first exercise. The second exercise is you put your index finger in the outer corner of your eye and your middle finger to the inner corner of your eye. You will kind of hold these 2 points here. You hold them. So it's just a little pressure. You need to squint the eyes, but they won't really squint because you're holding it here. So you squint the eye, relax, look up. Squint, relax, look up. Show again. Squint, relax, look up. So see, when you squint, you will feel the muscle moving here, but you're holding this muscle, pulling it out so it doesn't let it squint, so to say, like that. Feel the muscle. You won't really feel it in the inner corner much, the outer corner mostly. So you squint, relax, look up. Squint, relax, look up. Squint, relax, look up. Squint, relax, look up. Third exercise is very simple. You need to look to the right, to the left, and you do this 15 times each. Actually, the previous exercises you also do 15 times each. If you have time for 5 times, go for 5 times. You know the rule. You just do it. 5-minute rule. Like that. It might feel like not a big deal, but don't try to just look real fast. Try to really go further to the right and further to the left. Next exercise. We take the index finger and again put it here, the outer corner of our eye where this muscle is, and we will need to fix it. Fix the finger so there are no creases beneath the finger. Now we close our eyes and we close them tightly, but in this position we hold it for 5-6 seconds. Then we relax and we repeat 10-15 times. So again, position the finger, close, squint, but hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Open, relax. Repeat. Position the finger, close tight, squint, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, relax. The next exercise is just light touching your brows and your lid area. It will promote the lymph drainage and relax your eyes after this massage, after this eye exercises. So these exercises, if you are working at the computer throughout the day for a long time, it has to be there several times a day. I hope you like the exercises. You can repeat the video. Trust me, after 3, maybe 2 times, you will learn them, and I'm sure the most important thing you will start doing them.